In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gmail categories, specifically those social and promotions tabs. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by having your emails split into different tabs and wish to unify everything under the primary tab, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, making it straightforward and simple. Let's start by heading over to your Gmail account. You'll need to open up a web browser, so whether you're on Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice, simply type in gmail.com and log in if necessary. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, turn your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a small gear icon sitting there. This icon is your entry point to various settings, and by clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, you'll want to find and click on the option labelled See All Settings. This will take you to a more comprehensive settings menu where we can continue to optimize your inbox. Next, we'll navigate over to the Inbox tab. You'll find it along the top bar of your settings screen among other tabs like General, Labels and Accounts. Click on Inbox to proceed. Within the Inbox tab, the first thing you'll see is the Inbox type. It's important to ensure this is set to default, so go ahead and check that setting. The default layout allows Gmail to structure your emails in a way that we can manipulate further. Now look a bit further down under a section titled Categories. Here you'll find checkboxes next to categories such as social, promotions, updates and forums. To remove these tabs and consolidate all emails into your primary tab, simply uncheck each of these boxes. This action tells Gmail you no longer want emails sorted into these categories and instead want them in one central location, your primary tab. After adjusting these settings, you'll want to ensure the changes are saved. So, let's scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save Changes button. This will apply your new inbox settings, removing those extra tabs for good. With these steps completed, all of your emails should now appear solely in your primary tab, offering you a single unified view without the division of other categories. This streamlined setup can make managing your emails significantly easier and quicker, eliminating the need to switch between tabs. And there you have it, a simple way to create a more focused, enjoyable email reading experience. Feel free to revisit any step if needed, and enjoy your clutter-free Gmail interface. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.